Hey, it's your dad here, and you may have noticed that in every one of my videos, I'm carrying this. These are my essentials that I need for every trip, whether I'm shooting a video or not. This is my go-to bag. It's always packed and ready to go on a trip. What do I keep in it? Well, let's take a look. First up, in this small pocket, I start with my clip for hanging my phone on an airplane so I can watch it without my hands. Then I have my headphones for watching my phone hands-free on the plane, which are also noise canceling. I only paid like 16 bucks for these and they're pretty good. Next in this pouch, I always carry a car charger so I'm ready to go, along with the cable to charge my phone. And then in this outer pouch, I carry my sunglasses and I always have a backup phone charger / camera charger. Then we go to this larger section, and the first thing is a poncho just in case it starts to rain on me. That's an important one. Next up is my 360 camera, which is great for dads because I was always shooting video of the family and never getting to be in the video. With the 360 view, now I get to be in the videos. If I happen to be in a place where I can use it, I have my 3-meter extending stick for my 360 camera. I don't get to use this often because if I'm with my wife, she's not going to let me use this out in public. This has mostly been on some national park trips. Next item is my backup batteries for my 360 camera. I carry this, which has 2 in it, plus another that has 2, which also carries my extra mini SD cards. The last 2 things I have in this part of my backpack is first, I have this adapter for attaching my 360 camera to my backpack. This was great for the Wild Africa trek because otherwise I wasn't allowed to bring my camera on that trek. So this got me that great footage of going across the bridge. Last thing in this pouch is my DJI Steadicam for my phone, because sometimes the 360 camera is just not a good resolution for those really pretty pictures, those sunsets and other scenic vistas. And sometimes you just want to get that nice Steadicam with your phone. That's what this is for. Then the last 2 pockets are these sides, and I usually carry my sunscreen in one. And on the other side, I usually carry a bottle of water, and I'm ready to go. I highly recommend having a pack like this that's always ready to go because you never know when someone's going to invite you on a trip and you just want to leave. Plus, you always have your travel essentials in one place so you don't lose them. I just hang this up in the closet and I'm ready to go whenever. Hey, I hope you found my Travel Essentials Day Pack helpful in your planning for your next trip. Again, I highly recommend this. I don't notice the weight of it at all because it's super light even with all that stuff in there. And it's super helpful because I have backups for everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you next time.